Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Motivated Painters, Gabriel Marino here. Quick video, super quick, just to iterate what I've been doing lately. Wet bed, then 15 psi base coat, come back 27 psi base coat, nice and heavy, then 19 psi after a quick flash and bake and do a double control coat. The key here is that I've been using 10% E492, 3% T493, and 10% VWM5556, which is a vibrance toner. And it's been working amazing, honestly, love it. I used EC520, one nice coat, then another nice coat after a 1.5 minute bake. Then I get some trash out, and we're good to go. This was a simple, easy job that it would have taken me a really long time before to do, but with this new process that I've been doing, which I don't recommend anybody doing, don't do anything I do, but it's been working for me. Unreal. It's changed the way I spray. And there you have it. Nice shine, held up, looks amazing, and we can get it out of the booth, in and out real quick. And blending this way is very easy. Anyways, more videos coming, don't worry. Don't get upset because this was too short.